Let's draw a dog.
D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Let's start at the top and make this curved line curve. So it goes curve, line, curve. And then we're going to come down with a straight line and then curve it again into another straight line. And then we're going to curve it again into another straight line. Like this. Now we're going to add the nose. We're going to make it sort of like a rounded triangle. So there are 3 sides, but each side has a curve to it. So we'll start at the top like that. And then we'll do one toward the bottom. And then up to the top. Next, let's add in 2 ovals. 1, 2, and then we'll add in the mouth. We'll add a curve here and a curve here. Next, we can color in those eyes. Next, we can add in the ears. Let's make a line up with a curve, and then we'll add another line and a curve. Then we're gonna have 2 lines come down. 1, 2. And then we're going to join these 2 lines with a curve. Now we're gonna do the same thing on the opposite side. Let's start right here and we'll go up and add that curve. And then we'll start here, we'll go up and add that curve. And then we'll draw those 2 straight lines, 1, 2, and then we'll add that curve to join those 2 lines. This is a dog. What color will you make your dog? Will you add anything else to the picture? Use your imagination and see what you can come up with. Thanks for drawing with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.